City of O'Fallon's interactive business map and directory is now up and running. You may use the map to find any or all of our city's more than 1,200 licensed businesses. It is linked to the business license database, so the map is updated every time a new business gets a license.
Since we created the database that all the business license information is entered into, made it real easy for us to create the link between the business license information and our map.
To access the map, first go to the O'Fallon website and click on the green Business Map and Directory box in the upper right-hand corner. For most users, the map will load instantly. Some users may be prompted to install Microsoft Silverlight. This is a small, free software package that takes less than a minute's download. Then you're off and running. Have fun exploring your city by business name, business category, or just by clicking around. Businesses are marked with green dots. Click on a dot for the name of the business and its contact information. If it has one, you may even click on a link straight through to the business's webpage.
There are about 80-some different categories that we have the businesses within, so you can pick on that and it'll show you all the businesses that relate to that. We also have a new business section that shows you new businesses that have came in the last 30 days.
Some dots have numbers on them. If you see a number, it means that there are that many businesses at that location. Hover over the number and you will see the names and contact information for each of the clustered businesses. The search engine is the most powerful feature of the map. You may find a business by searching for it by name or category. When searching, the results show up as a listing in the search results and as a red locator on the map. Select a business in the search results and the location is then highlighted as a beacon on the map. When you zoom in, an aerial photo of the location will appear, showing you the physical appearance of the structure as well as other businesses in the area. Home-based businesses are not mapped because they are located in private residences, but they do show up in the search results. Just double-click on the business name and all of the available contact information will appear. The Business Map is a service provided by the City of O'Fallon to our residents and businesses. Come visit the O'Fallon homepage and test drive your map.